Super excited about today. Is Saturday, April the 23rd, and right here in Buckhead, I am hosting a one-day mastermind and workshop. So from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. mastermind, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. financial workshop. It's going to be absolutely extraordinary. I'm going to be talking about goal setting, scheduling. I'm going to be talking about building your business out as a holding company. I'm going to be talking about your position in business, your products, your services, your prices, your packaging, your presentations. We're going to be talking about accounting in business. We're going to be talking about creative tax strategies, tax deductions. We're going to be talking about QuickBooks and other integrations that you need as systems and processes. You want to join me today? I'm actually giving away free VIP tickets. You can join me in person or virtual. Just text VIP to 404-478-7213. I'll see you there.